Alright, welcome back, people. This your boy KP from Kpreptiles. Now, I'm over here with the Nile Monitors. Let me go inside the enclosure. Oh man. Look at that Nile Monitor water. Well, it must be some kind of a whiz to keep that Nile Monitor water clean like that. For real. Yep, it's clear. Holla at your boy, man. You know I take care of my Nile Monitors. See the love in these Nile Monitors. And they're all eating pretty well and fine. You know, none of them have problems eating. It's just this other one. He's just aggressive. Just like that. He's just look at him. He's always rowdy, angry, but he won't bite. Alright, check him out. Just being angry as can be. Alright, so let's get to the good part, right? Oh, we out here. Let me get their food. I got some food for the Nile Monitors. I went ahead and prepared some chicken for them. And that cracked egg, I believe, is the thing that's really doing it for them. So, holla at your boy, people. Make sure y'all hit that like button. I know you like what you're seeing. This Nile Monitor definitely smells the egg. And I warmed up some chicken, oven roasted, fresh for that bud. So I think he's waiting for me to give it to him. Alright, he's dipping in some of that egg because you know I take care of him. Oh wee, buddy, look. It's the good stuff. Alright, so what I want to do is I want to slide that bowl in there. So, he's not, I don't know if he could do the dip, so maybe I should scatter some of this egg around on the stuff. Yeah, see, just went in there for it. Crunch it up a bit. See, now there's egg on everything. Even on my hand. But he does know the difference between my hand and the chicken. See, the thing is, you just don't give him your hand. You give him the chicken, but don't give him your hand. You know, because sometimes he'll look at your hand as if he could try to get it. Let me get some of this food over here to the other one, because, see, I'm not giving him my hand. Even though I got egg on it. Take a look in the bowl and get you some food. Right? I'm always in these Nile Monitors enclosure. So, you know, they're pretty comfortable with me. Or at least one of them is. The other one, I would have to hide. And then he'll go ahead and chow down. It's probably the only way. Now, I made videos and short videos of showing people him eating. It's just, he don't like to eat in front of the camera, or he just really don't like eating around when I'm inside this enclosure. At all, at any times. Even when I have the camera on, I could have the camera off. I would have to hide because I believe my scent makes him buckle up like that. So, I'm just ready to tail whip. Now, the more times I come in this enclosure, the more comfortable he gets. But I'm telling you, man, that egg smell has got to be irresistible to this Nile Monitor. Look at him. He is enjoying himself. I don't know why he always makes that face. Because it tastes good. So, people, if you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's your boy KP from Kpreptiles, feeding the Nile Monitors. You know, but if you people have smaller monitors, you can start them off with some egg and turkey meat, ground turkey. You know, a ground turkey mix. Sometimes, you know, dicing some tilapia. You know, warm it up or let it get room temperature a little bit so it ain't so cold. And you can give it to your smaller monitors. You don't have to give them a lot, just a spoonful of it. Or chicken hearts. They love chicken hearts. Straight from the grocery store. These chicken hearts probably only cost me $2. You know, get a pack of them. And they'll take them right out the pack. But if you have smaller monitors and stuff like that, you just dice them up. And as your Nile monitor gets bigger and bigger, you know, you can upgrade to the cow heart. Now, those cow hearts are inexpensive, probably $5. But it is a lot of meat for the Nile monitor. And they do love the blood in the meat. Look at him. What's up, bro? Trying to get some egg? Oh, dude, you got egg everywhere. All right, I'm gonna back up and let you enjoy yourself. You want to eat egg? Go, do it. You can't keep getting mad at the egg. It crunches, yes, because it's an egg shell. See, what he liked, the combination of egg on chicken. And then he liked the egg, but he doesn't like the crunch of the egg shell. I think that bothers him. He thinks his teeth broke or something. Look at him. He's like, oh my goodness. See, he want to flip the bowl over. It upset him. Look at that, see? He said, what the what? My goodness. Like, why is this happening? The egg tastes good, I know, buddy. But we see you just don't love shells. And then you just gonna wipe your face on my carpet. See, there you go. Got a big piece. You like to chew on it. I'm telling you, it tastes good. Like the more egg, the better. Look at him over here toughening up. You need to eat something. He isn't gonna eat, people. I'm gonna have to leave for a while, go to the gym. See, so what I'm gonna do is I got quail eggs. And I have some more chicken. After this one, eat all the chicken. But I could take, put some more chicken in here, dice up some more egg. All I did is crunch the egg in there raw. And if y'all want to see him eat, make sure I get the video. Ouch. Dude, you seen that? Calm down, buddy. Look, I know you just want to be disruptive. Look, just want to rub your back and let you know that everything's calm. It's just going to be calm interactions from here. See, there's nothing rough happening. Alright, holla at your boy, people. This your boy KP from Kpreptiles. Handling the Nile monitors. Look at that. Let me see how much they got in the bowl. I just want to check the bowl. Aww. I gotta put some more chicken in there for you. Buddy seemed to have ate every piece. Go ahead, finish it up. Finish it out so I can refill this bowl. Nope. Don't knock the bowl over. I don't want to have to clean up. Alright, people. It's the Nile Monitors. And, I'll let your boy, people. Oh, man. Why are you so mean? We're about to go refill this bowl. We're feeding the Nile Monitors. Make sure y'all hit that like button. Peace out, people.